I've been finding out a bit more about garlic. Apparently, it's got a lot of amino acids in, which can bridge that gap between, especially if say the bees were on the rape and they're on a monoculture and they're not getting a variety of pollen.
Queen here, clear.
Oh yeah.
Near the top.
Yeah, I see her. She looks quite nice and fat, but the supersedure cell is on the other side.
Can you point to her, please?
Yeah, she's quite a nice fat girl. She's not as light as the other. She's a bit more of a tiger girl. And I think she's quite young, isn't she? She's racing around a bit.
Yeah, she's quite quick.
Not quite so sure of herself. Oh, she's gone.
In the corner.
It's a wasp after them.
Yeah, she's on this side. There's a supersedure cell here. So, oh, there's the old queen.
Oh, there you go.
So we got two. We've got mother and daughter. I knew that was happening.
So would she still be a virgin then?
No, she was mated.
Oh, yeah, the green spot. Yeah.
Look, so we got the old queen.
Yeah, 2 queens in 1 hive.
Yeah.
Well, that's unusual, isn't it?
No.
Not as much as you'd think.
Not actually. As this time of year. You often get supersedure, and our new supersedure was happening here. There's the cell, look.
Yeah.
So we've got a new mated, and gradually this queen, they're going to stop feeding her and she'll just fade away.
Really?
Yeah.
They don't necessarily fight them?
No. No.
So how do you know the other one's mated?
Because she's the right shape.
I see.
Virgins look completely different.
They're
Virgins
quite dark, aren't they?
nothing to do with colour, it's to do with the shape
skinny.
of them.
Yeah.
They're kind of small, squat looking, and they're almost like got a triangular type shaped abdomen.
Right.
And when they're mated, they just fatten out and they lengthen.
Yeah.
How long does that fattening out and lengthening?
So each of these is a colony, and in each colony there's about 50,000 bees right now, and this is as big as they're going to get.
Wait, so there's about 100,000 bees.
100,000 bees. Wow.
About 10 days from now, colonies in the early season, and we're looking at how
So here, first thing I do is I always look for the queen just to make sure she's not on the frame in case I pull it out. So this is a drone. This is a boy bee right here that I just stepped on. And underneath here, look at, you see all that colored stuff underneath there? Like that. It's got kind of a shiny coating, but it's different colors. This is all pollen that they've brought in. And then they bring the pollen in on their hind legs, and then they pack it down into the cells. So you can see this one kind of has a yellow, and there's oranges and different colors. So the different colors are pollens from different plants. And then they pack it down with their heads, and in that they put like beneficial bacteria in it. So this is called bee bread. So this is like our yogurt. It has tons of beneficial bacteria in it. It's their protein that they're going to eat when they're raising babies, and then they seal it over with a little bit of honey. So the shininess that you see is a little bit of honey glossed over that bee bread.